Hello, my name is Trevor and you're watching Three Toes RV.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an unboxing, an install, and a review of the Bogue RV insect guards. And we're starting right now. Lori and I would like to thank you so much for watching today, and if this is your first time here, we'd love to have you subscribe and become a part of our growing community. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. I would rate this product a 5 out of 5 because it is simple and easy to install and easy to use. If you have any other suggestions on the type of videos that you'd like to see, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. Check out this video right here where we have another RV related topic just for you. So live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we'll see you on our next video.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
That's my grandson.